Okay, so I just got this from Costco. It's an OmniBreeze 38-inch tower fan with Wi-Fi control. So this was, I think, $40. So let's go ahead and unbox it, right? Okay. I think it's just one piece. See if I can get it all out. There's more to it than that. Okay, so that's, I think that's everything in the box. Wait a minute, let me set this here. Something else in there. Okay, that's that. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and close this up. It does come with instructions, so we'll need those. And let's save the box. You never know, we might have to send it back. All right, so what's in here? I think this is the base. So, yeah, this is the base to it. So we'll get that out of there. Is that it? All right, so that's it. That's the base. So, yeah, now we got to put it together. Let me set it down here. Move this. All right, let's unveil this because we need to get this off of there. Down here, you can see it's all tied up. And not here. See if I can get it open. All right. So let's pull it out of this bag. Yeah. So you see on the bottom here, this we've got, I think this comes off, and then we go ahead and we screw the other part on. You know what I mean? So let me get that off of there. So we're gonna put we gotta put the base on, right? So now I'm gonna set this on the bed. All right, we gotta get this off of here, right? There we go. Okay, so, all right, so now we've got it here. I've unscrewed this back part, and I do believe that we've got to get this on there, right? So this kind of goes like that. So this here, I think it's going to go right around there like this, right? Somehow. You would think that's how it would go on, right? See, it's kind of like, oh, I see what we got to do. First, we got to put this together like this. So you got to twist it, and you got to get these things. So on here, you've got these two little holes, and they got to make it into here, right? So you got to do it kind of like this. You're going to do like a twisty thing here and smush those in, I hope. Let me see. Let's go on the bottom here and see if we can get it to work. I think that's how you do it. Like that. Okay, now this should fit. So look, see, this is like a square here. So that should fit over that square, right? So this should go just like that. And then now we've got the base on there, and then we just have to tighten this down. So let me show you. See how that's a square and how this is a square? So I just push it on like that, right? It just goes on like that. And then this is just going to tighten down on it, just like that. And we got to get it nice and tight. Tight like a tiger, all right? And I don't think there was any holes I think that this is just going to come out the back, right here, like that. And then we just have to, plug it in. But I think that's pretty much it right there. All right, now we can set it up. So let me just slide over here like this, and you guys can see how it sets. Let me see. Yeah, just like that. That's it. And this we just pull off of there. Now I would think that there would be, yes, there is. In the back here, there's a remote, okay? And usually these remotes have some type of a little thing that we got to pull off of them so that they work. So first of all, we got to get it open. I mean, can they make it harder for us? Jeez. Okay, so like I said, If you look, you're going to see there's a little piece of plastic here. Got to pop that out. Now the contact on the battery's working. So that's good, right? So now all I've got to do is plug it in, and we can try it out and see how she works. It follows me? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it over here. I'm going to leave this wrapped up for now. I'm just going to plug it right in here, right? I think I'm going to plug it in there. There we go. All right, now we're in. All right, let me just back it up a little bit so you guys can see. So here's our OmniBreeze. Just to give you an idea of the height, look, it comes up to my like waist, right? So this is like 38 inches, right? So okay, so you have your manual controls here, but we also have this, right? So to turn it on, I could either do one of two things, right? I could press the center button here. You see that right there? Let me get a little closer so you can see it. So you've got this is the turn on, or this is the turn on here. See, they're the exact same, right? So you see the same thing there. Then you see a fan, right? And then you see this curved thing, which is here. And then you've got the clock, which is over here. And then you've got airflow, which is there. And then you got auto, and you've got, I don't know what that is, but it does something. So anyway, let's go ahead and we'll just turn it on. I'm going to use this control, right? So there it is. It says 77 degrees Fahrenheit. It's giving us the temperature in here. Now, if I want it to swing back and forth, I press this button, or I would press that button. So let's go ahead and click it. Now you're going to see this move. If you feel that, oh, that's nice. That is nice. I like it. Whew, it's cool. Let me back up just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, definitely you can feel it. So you can see the movement here, right? So this is moving back and forth. Okay, and so then you have this. That's that one there. So that kind of stops it. If I hit it again, it makes it move, right? Here's the fan. That's higher. You can see right here how it goes up. Watch. Now it's super high. Now it's blowing as hard as it can. So it's got different settings, right? Here we go. You can hear it. So let's do it again. Ready? So that's the first setting, low. Second setting, a little bit higher. Third setting, and boom. Fourth setting, and I think we got one more. Bam, super high. So that kicks it out really good. So that's your fan right here. Now this thing here, I wasn't sure what this was doing. It's doing something. Feels pretty good though, right? And you can do the same thing with this. And then if you're not going to use this, you can just put it in the back here. Turn it around for a second. You just slide it in like that. You see that? And it comes out like that. Slide it in. Bam. And then we just go back. Let's turn it on. All right, let's just take a look at her. It's blowing hard. So that shows the fan's blowing, and it's blowing as high as it can go, right? If I click here, it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, and super 5, right? And it shows me that the fan's really blowing. Over here, if I click this, that's nighttime, and that apparently is nothing time, and that is, I think, I don't know, daytime. That beats me. Doesn't make any sense to me. But anyway, this is the unit. Down here you can see the name of it. It's an OmniBreeze. That's it. And let me tell you, it's a nice fan. Works really well. So if you need one in a tight space, I would say this is a good one to get. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out. Turn her off. Bam. Done.